Good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. And these are the free coaching classes for SSC, Polycet, Tsrjc set 2025, right? And in this session, we will be doing biology section, all right? And for today, in the previous parts, we have already done excretion. Few portion is left that we will continue along with few questions. All right, students? I hope you all are ready. Yes? We'll do a quick revision of the important points and then we will do the questions. Okay? Let's start the session, students. Okay. So, excretion, we have learned in the previous class that what are the excretory organs. We did about kidneys, how they function, that all we have done, right? And today we are going to start from the artificial kidney. Okay. Now you all know that kidneys are vital organs for survival because they help in the purification of blood and removal of waste from the body in the form of urine. But what if the kidneys will not be there? What will happen? Firstly, toxins will not be able to removed out from our body, right? So what happens? We know that kidney is vital organ for our survival. There are several factors like infection, injury, high blood pressure, high sugar. They all are restricted through kidneys only. They are being balanced through kidneys. Now, what happens? This leads to the accumulation of poisonous waste in the body and leads to death. Just a second, students. All right. What will happen if we have high blood pressure, high blood sugar? What will happen? It will restrict blood flow to the kidneys. Okay, if blood will not reach to the kidneys, what will happen? The accumulation of waste it will start happening in the body, right? And it may cause the death of the person. So what happens? There is a dialysis machine which is used to filter the blood of a person when both the kidneys of a person becomes damaged. Okay, now this point you have to note that both the kidneys become damaged. Okay, if one kidney is also is functioning properly, then the person has no danger, he can survive normally. Okay, but if both the kidneys are damaged, then we have to put that patient on dialysis. Now, what happens? The process is called hemodialysis. In this process, what happened? Blood is taken out from the main artery mixed with an anticoagulant. Okay, anticoagulant such as heparin. This you have to keep in mind. Okay, anticoagulant which we use in the dialysis, that is heparin, and then pump to the apparatus known as dialyzer. Okay, in this apparatus, what happens? Blood flow through channels. Okay, or tubes you can say made up of cellophones. These tubes are embedded in the dialyzing units or dialyzing fluid. Okay, the membrane separates the blood flowing inside the tube, which has the same composition as that of plasma. Okay, except the nitrogenous waste. In kidneys, in the plasma, there was nitrogenous waste also, right? But here we do not have that. And this is how blood is, purified through dialysis. Functioning. Okay, kidney transplantation. When both the kidneys of a person becomes non-functional or damaged, what happens? Then what we have to do? We need to transplant. Okay. The best long-term solution for kidney failure or acute renal failure is kidney transplantation. Okay, a functioning kidney. A functioning kidney is used in transplantation from a donor who is generally a close relative of the patient. Okay, the kidney that is received by a recipient must be a good match to his body. Why? Because if it will not match, the immune system will reject. Okay, there are higher chances of rejection of the transplanted kidney by the immune system of the recipient. But modern clinical procedures have increased the success rate of such complicated techniques also. Okay, where is the transplanted kidney fixed? In the body of the kidney failure patient. Okay, nowadays what happens? A process of organ donation helps a lot for kidney failure patients. Okay, organs are collected from brain dead patients, then transplanted to the recipient. To to more, we will study more about this in the next session. Okay, what happens? Organ donation is a different concept. We are not going to talk over here. But just for your information, we have told you that there is a process if both the kidneys get damaged, then we can go for kidney transplantation also. Okay. Other pathways of excretion. Kidney is the main part. Okay. Kidney is the main organ of for excretion. But there are some accessory organs as well, which help in the excretion of some waste in our body. Okay, we have learned about kidney, which is the chief excretory organ of our body. Lungs, skin, liver, large intestine also have their own specific functions but carry out excretion as a secondary function. Okay? Lungs, what happens in respiratory process? Lungs remove carbon dioxide and water. Skin, it contains large number of sweat glands richly supplied with blood capillaries from which they extract sweat and some metabolic waste also. Right? Sebaceous glands in the skin eliminate sebum, which contains waxes, sterols, hydrocarbons, and fatty acids. Okay, all right. This is very important table. You should know that name of the phylum or organism is given. Okay, and their specific excretory organs are also written in this table. Students, kidney is not functional in every phylum. Okay, if we start from protozoa, they do not have a specific organ for excretion. So in protozoa, what happens? Simple diffusion from the body surface in the surrounding water waste will be produced in all kind of metabolic process. So in protozoa, there is a simple diffusion. In porifera and coelenterata, what happens? Water bath is almost all their cells and washes away all the waste products. In platyhelminths, there are specialized cells known as flame cells which helps in excretion. In nematoda, we have rennet cells. In annelids, we have nephridia. In arthropoda, we have green glands or Malpighian tubules. Okay, proper functional kidneys are not developed, but Malpighian tubules are developed in arthropoda. In mollusca, we have metanephridia. Okay, in echinodermata, again, water vascular system works for the elimination of waste products. In reptiles, aves, and mammals, we have kidneys. Okay, this you should know. Excretion and release of the substances in plants. Now, see, plants do not have any specific organ to excrete their waste. Okay, what happens? Plants break down waste substances at much slower rate than in animals. Oxygen itself is a waste. It can be considered as a waste because oxygen is, you can say, a waste product generated during the photosynthesis. That is useful for us. But for plants, carbon dioxide is useful, right? During the photosynthesis, oxygen is a byproduct. So that also exits out through the stomata of the leaves. Okay. Plants get rid of excess of water by the process known as transpiration or guttation also. That may be apart from that, what happens? Waste product may store in the leaves, in the bark and fruit. They get accumulated and after a certain period of time, they fall off from the tree. Okay. We can say the fruits, okay, that we are eating, that is a plant waste. Waste gets stored in fruits in the form of solid bodies called rapids. Okay. However, several compounds are synthesized by plants for their own use, especially for defense. Many plants also synthesize few chemicals also and store them in roots, leaves, seeds for protection against what? Against herbivores animals so that they cannot eat them. Right? Herbivores usually do not prefer to eat such plants. Some of the chemicals are toxic and some even may kill those animals if they eat them. Right? See, alkaloids. What are alkaloids? Alkaloids are the nitrogenous byproducts and they are poisonous. They are stored in different parts of the plants. Common alkaloids and their uses are also given. You can see. Okay. Quinine. Quinine is a kind of alkaloid. It is found in Cinchona. Cinchona officinalis. Okay. Cinchona tree. It is okay, and it is this Cinchona. This is found in bark and it has anti-malarial drug. It is used as anti-malarial drug. Okay. Nicotine, you all know Nicotina tobacco. In the tobacco leaves it is present. It is used as an insecticide. Morphine and cocaine, they are opium. Opium you must have heard. This is a fruit, right? It is used as a painkiller. Respirin, Roifolia serpentia, right? It is present in roots and it is used for as a medicine for snake bite and high BP. Then caffeine is there, okay, obtained from coffee plant, and it acts as a central nervous system stimulant. Similarly, nimbin, scopolamine, and pyrethroids are there. They are found in different parts and they have their special uses, right? Okay. Apart from this, there are tannins. These are carbon compounds. They are stored in different parts of the plant and are deep brown in color. We all know that tannins are used in the tanning industry for the tanning of leather and medicines. Right? Examples are cassia and acacia. Okay. Resin are most commonly gymnosperm in specialized passages called resin passages. They are used in varnishes, right? Pinus. Uh, Similarly, gums are there, right? Gums, plant like neem, acacia, oozes a sticky substance called gum. When branches are cut down, the gums swell by absorbing water and helps in healing of the damaged parts of the plant. Gums are economically valuable and used as adhesives, right? And binding agents. Latex is there. Latex is a sticky, milky white substance secreted by plants. Latex is stored in latex cells or latex vessels from Hevia brasiliensis or rubber plant. Okay, rubber is prepared. Latex from Jatropha is a source of biodiesel. Okay, so these are important chemicals that are used that are secreted by the plants and used by the you can say plants also and for human beings also. Do roots secrete? Bergman, a botanist, proved from his experiment that roots not only absorb fluid from soil but returns a portion of their particular secretion back into it. Okay, we can see such stances in plants like apple, where a single crop for 4 to 5 years continuously in the same soil that fail to produce fruits. Okay, it will not give proper yield even if you use lots of fertilizers. Okay, excretion versus secretion. Excretion and secretion both are same in nature. Since both are involved in passage or movement of material, both the processes move and eliminate unwanted component from the body. Excretion is the removal of materials from a living being, while secretion is a movement of a material from one point to another point. Mark this point, students. Do not get confused. Secretion is a movement of material from one point to other point. Okay. Secretion is active while excretion is passive. Okay. Humans excrete materials such as tear, urine, carbon dioxide, sweat. Okay. While secretion, on the other hand, includes enzymes, hormones, and saliva. In plants too, we find secretion through roots into surrounding and falling of leaves and bark. Okay, secretion occurs in plants' body in the form of latex. Oh, sorry. In plants, excretion, we find excretion through roots into its surrounding and falling of leaves and barks. Secretion occurs in the plant body in the form of latex, resins, gums, right? All right. So this was all for the the theory part is over. Okay, now we will do some questions related to it. Let's start with the questions. Okay, first question. Kidneys are excretory organs in. And your options are number 1, reptiles, number 2, birds, number 3, mammals, number 4, all the above. Now, we have done a vast study on kidneys, right? I hope you all have understood. Now, let's discuss the questions. Kidneys are excretory organs in? All right. Many of you are answering as option 4. Yes, students, option 4 is the right answer. Very well. Next question. In annelids, this is the excretory organ. And your options are number 1, metanephridia, number 2, nephridia, number 3, green glands, number 4, Malpighian tubule. I hope everyone remember about that table I showed you, right? In that it was mentioned. So in annelids, what is the excretory organ? Quickly answer, students. I'm waiting for your answer. Right. All right, students. Let's reveal the correct answer. The correct answer is option 2, nephridia. Okay. Those who have selected option 2, they are right. Next question. In starfish, excretory system is canal system, Malpighian tubules, water vascular system, or green glands. Hurry up, students. In starfish, excretory system is canal system, Malpighian tubule, water vascular system, green glands. Okay, Adarsh is saying option 3. I'll reveal the answers. Okay, again, option 3. I'll give you 5 seconds more for the rest of you to answer, then I'll reveal the answer. All right, well done, students. You all are right. Option 3 is the right answer, water vascular system. Well done. Next question. In plants, waste products are stored in. Okay. And your options are number 1, leaves, bark. Number 2, bark and fruits. Number 3, leaves and fruits. Number 4, leaves, bark and fruits. What will be the correct answer? We are talking about waste products, not secretions. So in plants, waste products are stored in leaves and bark and fruits, leaves and fruits, leaves, barks and fruits. What will be the correct answer, students? Almost all the options are similar, right? Let me see how many of you are answering correctly. Okay, I'm getting answers. Hurry up, students. You have very limited time to answer the questions. All right, I'm revealing. The correct answer will be option 4. Okay. In plants, waste products are stored in leaves also, in barks also, and in fruits also. After few time, these portions, these parts of the plant, when they are filled with waste material, they just get fell off from the tree and detach themselves. Okay. So option 4 will be the correct answer for this question. Okay. Next one. Identify the primary metabolite. And your options are number 1, fats, number 2, gums, number 3, latex, number 4, tannin. Come on, students. Hurry up. I'm waiting for your answer. Which one is the primary metabolite? Fats, gums, latex, or tannins? Okay. All right. The correct answer is option number 1, fats. Okay. Students, primary metabolites are fats. Okay. And secondary metabolites are gums, latex, and tannins. Okay. Next one. Alkaloids are byproducts of. Okay. We did this portion. Number 1, carbon. Number 2, oxygen. Number 3, nitrogen. Number 4, phosphorus. Alkaloids are byproducts of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus. What will be the right one? Okay. I want everyone to answer. Mixed responses I'm getting. Hurry up, students. I'll reveal the answer within a few seconds. All right, time is up. The correct answer is option 3, nitrogen. Okay. Shri Vanilla, very well answered. Answer 3 is the right answer. Okay. Next one. Identify the stimulants of central nervous system. And your options are number 1, reserpine, number 2, caffeine, number 3, nimbin, number 4, quinine. Identify the stimulants of central nervous system. Reserpine, caffeine, nimbin, or quinine. All right. Hurry up, students. I want all of you to answer. Come on. All right. Yes, students, very well done. The correct answer is caffeine. Very well done. Swati, Srivanila, very, very well answered. Caffeine is the stimulant of central nervous system. Next one. It is used as a medicine for snake bite. And your options are number 1, reserpine, number 2, quinine, number 3, morphine, number 4, scopolamine, whatever you pronounce. Medicine for snake bite, reserpine, quinine, morphine, or scopolamine. All right, I can see many of you are answering as number 1. Let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is reserpine itself. Excellent, students. Excellent. You all are attentive in the class. I'm very happy to see this. All right, next one. Antiseptic nimbin is obtained from these parts of neem. Uh-oh. And your options are number one, seeds, number two, bark, number three, leaves, number four, all the above. Antiseptic nimbin is obtained from these parts of the neem tree: seeds, bark, leaves, or all the above. I'm getting mixed responses for this. All right, I'm revealing the correct answer. The correct answer is all the above. Okay? Yes, Sri Vanilla is correct. All the above is the right answer. Well done. Next one. Gums are used as adhesive and binding agents in the preparation of. And your options are number one, food, number two, paints, number three, varnishes, number four, food and medicines. This will be paints. P. Okay. It will be paints. Paints. There is a misprint or mistyping. Gums are used as adhesives and binding agents in the preparation of food, paints, varnishes, food, and medicine. What will be the correct answer? Hurry up, students. All right, the correct answer is option 4, food and medicines. Okay, those who have selected option 4, they all are correct. Next one. The latex of Hevea brasiliensis gives, and your options are number 1, plastic, number 2, resin, number 3, rubber, number 4, gum. Just a second, students. Gums are used. Okay, you all are correct, students. Option 3 is the right answer for this question. Varnishes. Okay, gums are used as adhesive and binding agents in the preparation of varnishes. Option 3 is the right answer, students. You all are correct who have selected option 3. Okay, my bad. Option 4 is not the right answer. By mistake, I have marked it. But you all are correct. Let's move to the next question. The latex of Hevea brasiliensis gives number 1, plastic, number 2, resin, number 3, rubber, number 4, gum. Hevea brasiliensis. This is a scientific name for which plant? Okay, many of you are answering as option 3. Let's check the correct answer. Yes, students. You all are correct. Option 3, rubber is the right answer for this question. The latex of Hevea brasiliensis gives rubber. Okay. Next one. Pollen grains cause allergy due to the presence of. And your options are number 1, carbon substances. Number 2, nitrogenous substances. Number 3, sulfur substances. Or number 4, all the above. Which one will be the right answer? Pollen grains cause allergy due to the presence of carbon substances, nitrogenous substances, sulfur substances, or all. All right. Let me see. What you all are saying for this question. Okay, the correct answer for this question will be students option Three, two, nitrogenous substances. Okay. All right. Moving ahead. The endocrine gland present on kidney is, and your options are number one, thyroid, number two, pancreas, number three, adrenal gland, or number four, pituitary gland. The endocrine gland present on kidney is thyroid, pancreas, adrenal gland, or pituitary gland. Hurry up. I'm waiting for your answer, students. Come on. Okay. I'll reveal the answer within few seconds. I want a few more responses, students. Come on. Hurry up, students. All right. The correct answer for this question will be option 3, adrenal gland. Okay. Adarsh, Sainath, you all are correct. Okay. Those who have selected option 3, they all are correct. The endocrine gland which is present on kidney, that is adrenal gland. Okay. Next one. Diabetes insipidus is due to the deficiency of hormone, insulin, vasopressin, adrenaline, or parathyroid. Diabetes insipidus is due to deficiency of hormone, insulin, vasopressin, adrenaline, or parathyroid. Quickly answer this question, students. I'm waiting. You have 30 seconds for this question. You have to select from, okay, insulin. Many of you are answering as number one, insulin. Okay. The correct answer will be option 2, vasopressin, students. Okay. Here we are talking about diabetes insipidus. Okay. Insipidus is due to the deficiency of vasopressin hormone. Okay. And normal diabetes is due to the deficiency of insulin. Okay. Option 2 will be the right answer. Next one. Excretory organs in arthropods. Number one, flame cells. Number two, green glands. Number three, malpighian. Number four, green glands, malpighian tubules. Excretory organ in arthropods. Flame cells, green glands, malpighian, green glands, malpighian tubules, both. What will be the correct answer, students? Hurry up. Okay. Students, you all are doing great. I'm happy to see at least you all are trying. Those who are answering, maximum of you are answering correctly only. All right. I am getting mixed responses. You all are confused between option 3 and option 4? So let me reveal the correct answer. The correct answer is option 4. Green glands and malpighian tubules both. Okay, option 4 is the right answer. Adarsh Sangre, you are right. Alright. Those who have selected option 4, they all are right actually. Okay, next one. What will happen if one kidney of a person is removed? Okay, and your options are number 1, he will survive and remain normal. He will die. You will go, urea will go and accumulating in the blood, or urination will stop. What will happen if one kidney of a person is removed? He will survive and remain normal, or he will die, or urea will go and accumulate in the blood, or urination will stop. What will be the correct answer? All right, I can see maximum of you are saying option 1. And yes, you all are correct, students. Excellent. Excellent, students. You all are correct. He will survive. If his one kidney is proper and functional, he will survive. He will stay normal. Very well done. Next one. A cluster of capillaries in the kidney. And your options are number 1, glomerulus, number 2, pyramids, number 3, calyces, or number 4, ureter. Cluster of capillaries in the kidney, glomerulus, pyramids, calyces, or ureter. Which one is the right answer? Hurry up, students. Come on. All right. Come on, students. I want few more responses. Okay, let's reveal the correct answer. The correct answer is option number 1, glomerulus. Okay, glomerulus is the right answer, students. Option 1. Next question. First kidney transplantation in India was performed at, and your options are number 1, All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi, Armed Forces Medical College, Pune, Christian Medical College, Vellore, or Apollo Hospitals, Chennai. Quickly tell this answer. First kidney transplantation in India was performed at. Okay. Hurry up, students. Anyone knows? All right, let me tell you. The correct answer is CMC College, Vellore. Christian Medical College, Vellore. Option 3 is the right answer for this question. Okay. First kidney transplantation in India was performed at Christian Medical College, Vellore. Next one. Morphine, cocaine are extracted part from this part of papaver somniferum. And your options are number 1, bark, number 2, fruit, number 3, root, number 4, seed. Morphine, cocaine are extracted from this part of papaver somniferum. Bark, fruit, root, or seed. Alright, the correct answer for this question is option 2, fruit. Okay, those who have selected option 2, they all are correct. Well done. Next one. Anti-malarial drug quinine is manufactured from the bark of, and your options are Rauwolfia serpentina, Azadirachta indica, Cinchona officinalis, or Nicotiana tabacum. Anti-malarial drug quinine is manufactured from the bark of. Quinine is obtained from Cinchona tree. Okay. So option 3 is the right answer for this question. Cinchona officinalis. Okay. Those who have selected option 3, they all are correct. Next one. Nicotine is prepared from this part of Nicotiana tabacum. And your options are number 1, leaves, number 2, bark, number 3, root, number 4, seeds. I hope you all know this answer. This is very easy question. Yes? Hurry up, students. Okay, I'm getting mixed responses for this question as well. All right, the correct answer for this question is option number 1, leaves. Okay, those who have selected option 1, Muhammad Mujib, Shri Vanilla, others, you all are correct. Okay, option 1 is the right answer. Next one, Nimbin, an antiseptic, is extracted from the seeds, barks, leaves of dash. And your options are Cinchona officinalis, Papaver somniferum, Azadirachta indica, or Chrysanthemum. Nimbin, an antiseptic, is extracted from the seeds, barks, leaves of Cinchona officinalis, Papaver somniferum, Azadirachta indica, or Chrysanthemum. All right, students. Well done. I can see, okay, maximum of you are replying. This is really appreciated. All right, the correct answer is option 3. Okay, those who have selected option 3, they all are correct. Next one. From the fruit and flower of the Datura stramonium, the sedative extracted is nimbin, scopolamine, pyrethroids, or reserpine. From the fruit and flower of the Datura stramonium, the sedative extracted is nimbin, scopolamine, pyrethroids, or reserpine. All right, the correct answer for this question is scopolamine. Okay, those who have selected option 2, they all are correct. All right, students, option 2 is the right answer for this question. Next one. Insecticide pyrethroids are extracted from which part of chrysanthemum? And your options are number 1, seed, number 2, root, number 3, fruit, number 4, flower. Insecticide pyrethroids are extracted from which part of the chrysanthemum? Seed, root, fruit, or flower? Hurry up. Students, time is running very fast. Okay. The correct answer for this question is option 4, flour. Okay. Those who have selected option 4, they are right. Next one. Water bathes almost all their cells in these phyla of animals. And your options are platyhelminths and nematode, porifera and coelenterata, arthropoda and mollusca and echinodermata. Quick students. Okay, the correct answer for this question is option 2, porifera and coelenterata. Okay? Yes, others, you are correct. Option 2 is the right answer. Next one. Green glands and malpighian tubules are excretory organs in. And your options are number 1, annelids, number 2, arthropoda, number 3, mollusca, or number 4, echinodermata. All right, I'm getting responses, but they are mixed one. Okay, I'll tell you the correct answer, students. The correct answer is option 2, arthropoda. Okay, those who have selected option 2, they all are correct. Next one. In mollusca, excretory organs are nephridia, water vascular system, annelids, or arthropoda. In mollusca, excretory organs are nephridia, water vascular system, annelids, or arthropoda. What will be the right one? Okay. The correct answer for this question is option 1, nephridia or metanephridia. Okay, in mollusca, metanephridia is the excretory organ. So option 1 is the right answer. Okay, students. Next one. Water vascular system is excretory system in echinodermata, mollusca, annelids, or arthropods. Water vascular system is excretory system in echinodermata, mollusca, annelids, or arthropods. What will be the correct answer, students? Hurry up. All right. I'm revealing the correct answer for this question, students. The correct answer for this question is number 1, echinodermata. Okay. Option 1 is the right answer. Next one. Peritubular capillaries are formed from, and your options are number 1, afferent arteriole, number 2, efferent arteriole, number 3, renal artery, or number 4, glomerulus. Peritubular capillaries are formed from afferent arteriole, efferent arteriole, renal artery, or glomerulus. Hurry up, students, your time is running very fast. Peritubular capillaries are formed from what? Alright, students, the correct answer for this question is efferent arteriole, option 2. Okay? Those who have selected option 2, they all are correct. Next one. Blood flows inside the glomerulus under the influence of pressure due to the dash. And your options are number 1, broader diameter of the efferent arteriole, broader diameter of the efferent arteriole, Narrowness of afferent arteriole or narrowness of efferent arteriole? Focus on the question and then answer. Hurry up. Come on, students. All right, time is up. The correct answer for this question is option 4, narrowness of efferent arteriole. All right, students, that's all for today's class. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Yes? Students, we will meet super soon in the next class with the new upcoming interesting topic. For that, you will have to stay tuned and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel, Jatadhara Educational Technology. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks.